meat tofu. This easy weight. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna to make the hair tutorial and easy peasy and nice. Okay, the first I'm gonna do here. So take rubber band. Like this. Not yet. Okay, that is the first step, and the rest just put it like this. So that is stay. Yeah, and for the under, I'm gonna take this one.
Feel.
And then twist it.
Mommy, feel.
Yeah, feel what?
Feel getting.
Twist it.
Feel
Right. And here the same way. Twist it. Now bring it on top and twist it, and then go with the pin. Yeah, okay, you have a high bun like this. Okay, don't worry, you can. Sorry guys, it's just funny the result. Okay, it look like a meat tofu. Okay, this one is so much. Hey, what is my stool here? Okay guys, that is for today, and if you don't like it with the result, you can just put it like this, or you can just do like this. Here what you need always is a pin. This. That is to look different guys. Huh? Next. Okay guys, maybe you try it. And okay guys, that is for today. And so I tell you this easy weight hairstyles, but give it a try. You might be having fun with it. Okay guys, this is the result. If you see a white color hair, that is because I'm old. Grace hair. Okay, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye-bye.